Hello and welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how to make this love pocket. Just like you can see in this video, you can put it in your kaftan just like you see me wearing, or your boot dress. So here I'll be drafting out the pattern and I marked out 6.5 inches. So here is going to be on fold if I'm cutting it out on my fabric. And for the length of the pocket, I want mine to be 13 inches, but because the pattern paper that I'm working with is smaller than 13 inches, I'll just be showing you with the measurement of this paper. But the measurement that I worked with was 13 inches in length. And here I'll be coming down by 3 inches. I'll mark it out like that. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be creating that love shape, the heart shape. I'll be creating it, and just watch carefully, you will see what I am doing. So if this is your first time of seeing my videos, you're so welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell, as in this channel I do more of DIYs and how you can learn to sew from the comfort of your home. So after creating that heart effect, that heart shape I mean to say, I'll go ahead to cut it out. So I'll cut it out, and here as you can see, I've cut out my fabric and the length is 13 inches. So here now I'll be sewing it all the way round. So after sewing it round, I'll go ahead to clip it round. And what I'll be doing is that I'll fold this into two. I'll be removing my main fabric, because this is my main fabric, and this brown fabric you see here is the lining. So I'll make sure that I'm not holding the main fabric, and I'll be cutting through the lining. And for me, this brown fabric is the lining. So here I'll be turning it inside out. So after turning it inside out, I'll go ahead to give it a good press. So after ironing it out, I'll place my hand inside like that. I'll make sure that my hand is at the center of the heart. So here I'll be marking it out where I'll be stitching it down. I just want an opening that will be enough for my wrist to pass through. So I'll be marking it out very well so that it will be visible. So I'll get the place that I want to attach the pocket, and for me I've already marked where my pocket will stop. So what I'll be doing now is that I'll be placing it like this as you see me doing. I'll make sure that that pointy edge is touching the side seam, and of course on that line. So I'll pin it down just like you see me do. And what else I'll be doing is that the heart shape, that is the center of the heart, the center of the pocket, I'll make sure that it aligns with the side seam of my dress, and I'll pin it down as well. I'll lay the pocket down very well to pin, hold the sides. So what I'll do now is that I'll go to my sewing machine, and from this marked point here, I'll be sewing it all the way around, and when I get to this point, I will stop here. I'll stop at that place. So after stitching it down, this is it. Our pocket is ready. That's just it on how to make this a heart pocket. If you like this tutorial, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified of my latest videos. Happy sewing!